How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Various Technology. Today we're unboxing the Canon EOS R8, the cheapest Canon full frame camera you can purchase. So this just came out recently. This is just the body itself. I've got a lens separately that I purchased for it because, well, the kit lens is just not that great. But here we have the outside of the box right here, Canon EOS R8. Let's go ahead and just open this up and we'll have a look at the contents that's included. This box is actually very big for the camera itself, so kind of odd. So first thing we've got just your warranty card information, which we'll put aside. Then we've got a bunch of the contents and stuff included. We're actually just gonna quickly put that to the side and we're gonna look at the body first, just because, well, I really wanna see the body itself first. We'll put the box aside as well. So I knock my lighting out of the way right here. You can see this one is perfectly sealed up, never opened at all from the factory. And we'll go ahead and see it for the very first time. And there we have it. Okay, so first things first is it's definitely small. It's definitely a tiny camera for a full frame, which is actually a good thing. That's what I wanted. I want something really small and portable, but still offer full frame sensor. So let's have a look at around the camera here. So we got the R8 logo here, EOS. We got the little button right here, which we can use to press to put our lenses on and off. We've got our shutter button right here. This is the front cover, which will open up and you can see our sensor on the inside very nicely. We'll keep it closed for now just so that no dust gets in there. We'll go ahead, we'll have a look at the top of the camera right here. So we've got an off, lock, and on switch right there. We've got our function little scroll bar right here, a multi-function button, recording button right there. And we've got our little switch right here, which we can switch to all the different modes on the camera, which is really good. We've got, let's see, we've got a little shoe right here. It is a hot shoe. So you can attach different lenses and stuff and have them powered and stuff right through the hot shoe itself. This is just the little cover for it, which is nice and handy to have. We have the independent switch between your camera and your video mode, which is really good. I really like that. So that just makes it super simple. This is a more or less a beginner's full frame camera, so they make it as easy as possible. So if this is your first full frame, this is definitely one that you'll easily pick up. So we got the info button on the back, info button on the back there. We got the set button. We've got our multi little up, down, left, right switch. We've got our view playback button, and then we've got our trash can button right there. On the side of it right here, which I can't remember exactly what that's for. We got our microphone and our headphone jack right here. So microphone, so you can insert an external microphone, headphones, so you can monitor your audio at the same time, which is great. Then we've got our HDMI and USB, or it could be micro HDMI. And then we've got our USB-C right there as well. So USB-C to charge up if we want to, if we don't want to use the external charger. And on the back, let's have a look at our swivel screen right here. So that will come right out just like that. And then you can also swivel it forward. We can swivel it down. So down it goes that way, and swivel it goes completely over to face forward, so you can do your vlogging style just like that. So it makes it easy to nicely. Underneath the body of the camera, we do have our little 1/4-inch slot right here for our tripod or selfie stick or whatever you want to. You can insert into there and screw right in. And then we do have the battery door right here. And then inside the battery door is our SD memory card slot. And then that's obviously where your battery goes. And there is this little piece right here, which you can use if you put in a battery in here, which you can use for like live streaming, like a constant dummy battery that you put in here. And this is for the cord to stick out. So that's handy that they've thought of that and they have that added into the camera as well. Let's see what else is included right here. So we do have our battery charger, which we'll open up. So our battery charger, the battery will insert into here itself. And then we have this which will come right out, and then we can plug that into our wall. So that makes it nice and handy. So, I mean, you can alternately charge right through a USB-C cable if you want to as well, but we'll probably use that charger initially, and we'll go ahead and take the battery out. We've got a little cover right here on the battery itself. And if you want to see what the battery itself, the exact name and everything, LPE17, I believe is the battery name for this one right here. So you can see that itself as well if you want to get yourself a new battery, or if you're wondering if you have the same battery already. Then of course we've got our instruction booklet, which I don't really care about. And we do have a stock original EOS R8 camera strap. So I'll keep that in there, but that's everything that's included in your box for your Canon EOS R8 full frame camera. You want to make sure that you fully charge the battery up before you use it. Don't turn it on right away. It'll help save the lifespan of your battery. So do that, and then we'll turn the camera on, and we'll see you guys on our next video.